We started this company as a stamper, and primarily we were concentrated on delivering parts for the automotive industry. And at that time we started with GM and produced parts for the interior parts, especially for the dashboard of the cars. That's when we started our first, on the first years. And then we started just growing, and we started doing assemblies on the metal industry because at the beginning it was only components, and then we started making some assemblies and with value added with some welding operations, fastening and insertion at the beginning. This is the primary type of business, the way we start. And then we had evolved today as a contract manufacturing, and now it is involved in plastics, metal, and some electronic assemblies, and which I think so that's what we're evolving into that one, in order to make completely assembles with plastic, metals, and electronics. And we saw the big difference with the new technology, with the new machine. Then when we go back and say, well, we want new machines because it's easier and you understand and you got some training, then start looking, and when we start searching, we find out SEYI, okay? And SEYI it was at that time very similar press, lower cost, and a very good quality. And they able to support the maintenance and the equipment that we wanted at that time. And when the first opportunity that we had, we changed the old presses for new SEYI presses that we had. And we grow very fast at the beginning, because at that time we were the only ones in this area. We were the first stampers in the area here, in the Matamoros and the Reynosa area. And that was a big opportunity for us when we started with GM, and we just grow leaps and bounds at the beginning. And we always find out that SEYI, that was a company that was keeping up with the technology, give us the service and give us the service parts. I think so that has been a very good joint venture with SEYI and ourselves. And now you can see that we had presses, because we started this business about 22 years ago, 23 years ago, and the presses is still running and in a very good condition. That's what I really like about the SEYI presses. When we started buying the first SEYI presses, everybody was telling us, oh, that is for Taiwan and they're not good, they're not going to be lasted. We got here Minster, we got the Verson presses, Komatsu. You say, you're making a mistake, making a big bet, okay? And I think so it proves that was one of the best investments we ever done. And now that we have had a lot of success, now everybody just, more people are buying SEYI presses. Today it is more like we got the feeling that with SEYI presses we can do everything. You know, it's just our philosophy. It's the SEYI presses do not limit to do what our customers require to do. Okay, only extreme cases, but we try and we experiment and we do, and we still know, you know, that but there is a lot of more benefit that we can get out of the SEYI press. Okay. We at Gobar, we had more than 20 years doing business with SEYI.
And we will continue saying yes to SEYI in the future.
Tenemos más de 22 años haciendo negocios con SEYI.
Y continuaremos diciéndole sí a SEYI.